Introducing the Corking Firewood processor lineup. Since 1978, Corking has been manufacturing the world's most productive firewood processors. Corking is the only manufacturer of firewood processors that stand behind their equipment with a lifetime splitter warranty for the original purchaser. If it breaks, Corking will pay for the repair. The Corking lineup starts with the rugged little M1820 with its bulletproof 31 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Vanguard engine. With an 18-inch diameter cutting capacity, a 6-way hydraulic adjustable wedge, choice of log lift or 2-leg live deck, this machine is very capable and can produce 2 full cords of firewood per hour without breaking a sweat. Corking's M2030 comes standard with a super reliable 50 horsepower Cat diesel engine. It has 20-inch diameter cutting capacity, 16-foot in-feed conveyor with 3-leg live deck, a deluxe operator seat, and 6-way hydraulic adjustable splitter wedge. This machine has been targeted by many startup firewood businesses as a machine of choice. With Corking's trade-up program, you can run one of these machines for up to 12 months and receive 100% trade-in allowance. Capable of producing 3 full cords of firewood per hour, the M2030 is ready, willing, and able to turn a tidy profit for your business. Take the same 50 horsepower diesel engine, add a heavy-duty tubular frame, and a 36-inch carbide tooth circular saw, and you have the CS1630. With the same character as its baby brother, the M2030, this machine will produce an astonishing 4 full cords of firewood per hour. That's a 33% increase in production with the same horsepower. The carbide tip slasher saw is capable of cutting up to a 16-inch diameter log while eliminating countless hours of maintenance, not to mention its superior cutting ability. Storing and releasing the kinetic energy in the saw blade is the key to the increased productivity rate. Carbide tip slasher saw, and you have the CS1830. With an 18-inch diameter cutting capacity and a 3.5-second cycle time, the 1830 is capable of producing 5 full cords of firewood per hour. Built on the 1630 platform, the 1830 is very capable of delivering product with effortless comfort. Add a heated operator's cab and you can operate in all adverse weather conditions. New for 2015 is the Corking CS2030 Model 44. With its 44-inch slasher saw and 66 horsepower Cat diesel engine, this machine is sure to be a performer for any firewood operation. With a 3-second cycle time, this machine is capable of cutting up to 6 full cords per hour. Shown here with an optional heated operator's cab, the base machine comes with deluxe operator seat and safety belts. Also shown here is introducing the all-new for 2016 Corking Model CS2030HO, or High Output Model 44, featuring an 80 horsepower Cat diesel engine with 3-year warranty. The CS2030HO is capable of cutting wood up to 20 inches in diameter at an astonishing rate of up to 8 full cords per hour with a 2-man crew. Having a cycle time of 2.5 seconds puts this machine in the running to be one of the fastest, most productive firewood processors in the world today. longevity and the highest productivity rates available are what you're looking for, then look no further than the CS2040, CS2440, or CS2740. Available with massive splitter tonnage capacities like the 58-ton ram shown here, running through an 18-way packaging wedge, Corking has answered the call of many a firewood producer. With these machines operating in 16 different countries worldwide, Corking has proven time and time again that they lead the way with innovation, productivity, and reliability. Now let's have a closer look at some of the standard features available on the CS2040, CS2440, and CS2740 processors. All these machines come standard with pintle hitch, breakaway switch, lights, and electric brakes, making it legal for highway use. Coming standard with high-efficiency hydraulic oil cooler, these machines can handle even the hottest summer day. The oil cooler is thermostatically controlled for automatic operation. The double-welded hydraulic oil tank comes standard with internal 140 micron suction strainers and external 15 micron return filters. During operation, the hydraulic oil tank becomes pressurized to 10 psi, keeping all contaminants out of the hydraulic system. The hydraulic oil level gauge is also outfitted with temperature gauge for easy monitoring. Coming standard with your choice of diesel engine manufacturer, the horsepower ranges from 99 to 140 horsepower and have a standard 2-year, 3,000-hour warranty. Corking leads the way in power and reliability. A 4-stage hydraulic pump is fitted to the diesel engine directly, and all hydraulic pumps are protected with a pressure relief system. These cutting machines are available with 48-inch, 54-inch, or 60-inch diameter 2-gauge saw blades, fitted with .440 hollow point carbide tips. The carbide tips are silver soldered to a shank for easy on-site replacement. Splitter wedge design on a Corking can be custom tailored to suit the desired finished product your customers desire. Hydraulic adjustable wedges, as shown here, also provide greater flexibility in the finished product. The controls on every Corking are identical with two-handle operation. The left hand simply runs the splitter, while the right hand joystick feeds and cuts the log. All other control levers are for auxiliary equipment. Engine controls are conveniently located and have low oil pressure, high temperature safety shutdowns. Also available from Corking is an optional auto split cycle. Splitter wedge design on a Corking can be custom tailored to suit the desired finished product your customers desire. Hydraulic adjustable wedges, as shown here, also provide greater flexibility in the finished product. Having a fast splitter cycle time with maximum power output is the key to producing a high production firewood processor. As you can see here, the splitter ram on the CS2040 can fully extend and retract in a mere 2 seconds. The fully adjustable hydraulic stop can be set to your desired length of cut and is capable of maintaining a plus or minus 1/8 length tolerance. Simply removing 2 bolts enables you to adjust the log stop from 8 to 24-inch cuts. Twin 12,000-pound stabilizer jacks are located on both rear corners of the machine, adding to the operational comfort of the processor. Okay. Corking manufactures a complete line of offloading conveyors from 12 to 50 feet in length. Simply raise a conveyor with the winch, lock the safety chain, and you are ready to go. A debris conveyor or debris tumbler can also be easily connected in hydraulic series to any Corking. A hydraulic power takeoff is located on the back of all Corkings that enable the operator to run either the offloading conveyor or use to fold up an optional hydraulic folding live deck. Loading the rugged live deck on a Corking is simply done using a log or front-end loader. We are now going to demonstrate the Corking CS 2040, which is capable of cutting logs up to 20 inches in diameter and up to 40 feet long. With the live deck loaded, we will now begin. With a cut-to-cut cycle time of less than 3 seconds, a typical two-man crew running logs like the ones shown in this video would produce in excess of 10 full cords per hour. Heavy-duty 81X log chains on the live deck are used to index a log into the in-feed conveyor. Large 3-inch high dogs on the WR78 in-feed chain propel the log to the hydraulic log stop. As the saw starts to come down into the log stop retracts 1 inch, providing a clearance that prevents the log from pinching on the saw blade. Once the log drops into the splitter chamber, the splitter is cycled, all the while the log is advanced and the next piece of wood is awaiting cutting. With engineered timing, the next piece of wood should be dropping into the splitter chamber just as the splitter returns to the home position. An averagely coordinated person can become a competent operator in as little as 2 hours of training. Here's some key points to consider before you purchase a firewood processor. Productivity. Corking has proven time and time again that they simply produce more firewood faster than any other competitor. Going head-to-head in firewood producing competitions, Corking is the clear winner. Warranty. There's no manufacturer of firewood processing equipment that stand behind their equipment like Corking. The splitter chamber on all Corkings, including the splitter blade, comes with a lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. The splitter chamber is the heart of the machine, and that really does do the brunt of the work. Value. Corkings simply hold their value. Do your own comparison of used equipment out there, and you will clearly see Corkings remain higher in value than all the competition. After all, Corking did it first back in the 70s, producing the world's first high-production firewood processor. 30-plus years of excellence are built into every Corking. Power. Corkings have the highest splitter tonnage available in the world today. From 29 to 72 tons of splitting force available in these machines, they are made to split wood without the necessity of resplitting. Heaviest built. At Corking, we believe you can never overbuild a firewood processor. That's why Corkings are the heaviest built machine in the industry today. The bottom line is this: if you are in the market for a firewood processor, Corking has a machine for you. We are flexible and willing to custom build a machine to your specifications. Introducing some amazing accessories that will work on all Corking models. First, we have the auto split, one-hand joystick control. With this option, the operator can choose between using the auto split or not using the auto split, so they can still manually operate the splitter. By simply flipping a switch and turning the auto split on, the operator can simply pull a trigger to activate the splitter out and back automatically. Transitioning one log to the next has never been easier than when using the trapdoor option on a Corking. By simply pulling a lever, the trapdoor closes and supports the log so they can be easily cradled and let down into the splitter chamber. Corking's endless in-feed chain system with large 3-inch dogs are awesome for feeding logs to the saw. That being said, it's always nice having a backup system with the grapple assist to assist with those real crooked, ugly, gnarly logs. Simply bringing the arm down onto the top of the log and using the assist to pull the log past that troubled section eliminates any operator grief. One of the inherent problems that all firewood producers have is keeping the debris separated from the firewood. and the Corking Tumble King does just that. Its two-stage tumbling system separates the small debris less than 1 inch from larger debris up to 2 inches. Available with optional integrated conveyors and hydraulic power packs, this machine is a must for any large firewood producer. The Corking saw log deck shown here is a great attachment for an operator that wants to utilize saw logs from their firewood logs. Used in conjunction with a swing out of the way log stop and trapdoors, this attachment is a great asset for any firewood producer wanting to utilize or merchandise saw logs from firewood logs. Another innovative option available from Corking is the dual drive live deck system. 2 legs run independent of the other 2 legs, so it allows operators to straighten long logs or pile 2 rows of 8-footers on the live deck and save time. At Corking, we are always looking for ways to increase your productivity and output. If you're in the market for a new firewood processor, please don't hesitate to contact Corking for a non-obligation quote or live demonstration. We welcome your business.